Hey guys, what's going on? Jed Scott here, and I just want to do a quick little video giving a nice shout out, but hang on. I'm not feeling very cool right now. Give me a second, I'll be right back. Oh, that's what it was. Oh, no more restrictive black t-shirts for me because I am styling and profiling. Look at that baby. Boom. On this manliness as you see it on my fat old body. If you're interested in one of these t-shirts, check out Straight Six Fan, my good buddy Grant Tommy, who's also a Kansas YouTuber. I met up with him at the Lawrence Swap Meet today. Super cool dude. All about budget minded. I know, like, I'm budget minded, but this dude brings a whole new meaning to it. So go check out his channel. Link is in the description. And I'm going to show you what I picked up at the Lawrence Swap Meet in this badass t-shirt. And to going with his name, Straight Six Fan, this is in the motif of a slant six Mopar, and he thought, hey, who better to reveal this shirt with than a Mopar guy? And I was like, hell yeah, man, I love free t-shirts. But seriously, go pick yourself up one of these at his channel. It's a super nice t-shirt, and you know, I'm real picky on the color of t-shirt and my t-shirts in general, and I love my black pocket tees because I can tear them up and stuff, but this is the first t-shirt I have worn in like probably 8 years that's had an image on it, and I love it. And Dad and I are kind of fighting over who gets it. So one other thing I also want to mention is some of my other friends who do YouTube, got smaller channels, they deserve a shout out. So besides Straight Six Fan, who not a Mopar guy, does a lot of cool different stuff, so please check out his channel. And I'm not requiring you to, but I'm just saying you won't be disappointed. Another guy, not strictly a Mopar guy, to check out is my good friend Marty, Useful Entertainment. He has been working his ass off, growing his channel, putting so much time and effort into his videos, and he deserves more views. Really great guy. I spend like 3 hours on the phone with him typically every night. So please, also in the description, check out his channel. Super cool guy. And one of his friends local to him, Chris, owns a channel called Testa Speed Shop, and they just finished rebuilding a 360 for their friend Tom, and they just got a video of it driving actually on YouTube. And another very underrated guy. He's just getting off the ground, so I'd appreciate it. I'm not saying go check out all these guys, but seriously, even if you go check out one and you like it, that'd mean the world to me, because we want to spread the love. You know, there's a lot of YouTubers out there trying to make it big, just trying to, you know, share their adventures with you guys. And I believe people who put the time and effort into making these videos deserve to get better views. And if we can bring some of the love from our channel to them, it'd be awesome, because we're a close little community. I view all you guys as friends and family, so let's spread the love. And one other guy, real good friend of mine, and crap, I forgot a shift knob. Give me a second. Okay, so back to where I left off. I'm sorry, I forgot to grab it, Mark. Check out Mark at Bigfoots N Mopars channel. Mopar guy, but he does some pretty neat stuff. I love his car, especially his satellite. Go check that out. And why I'm telling you to go check out his channel is because I made this for him. One of my custom shift knobs. See if we get that in focus. It's a black and white pearl and a little bit of silver metal flake. I made that especially for his car, and that is getting shipped out here pretty soon. There we go. By the way, I do make these for people, so if you're interested in a shift knob custom made by me for you or your project car, if you just want one to hang on to, shoot me an email, chargerjezebel70@yahoo.com. And don't be mad if I don't get back to you ASAP. I only check my email every 3 times a week, or my bad, every 3 days or so. But now that all of this is out of the way, I gave my shout outs to my friends and some of my best friends, I should say, on YouTube. If you got a small channel and you're trying to grow it, let me know. I'll check it out, and maybe we'll have to give you a shout out, because we want to grow people who deserve it. If you're putting the time and effort into this stuff, because this is not easy work, filming, editing, posting, it's a lot of work. So I want to see people who put the effort into growing their channels and just putting content up. I want to see them grow. But let's check out what I bought at the swap meet. So I bought some stuff. You know, you can see that. Look at that. Huh. I guess let's start off with this. We got ourselves 4 Holley carburetors, 2 double pumpers, and a matched pair of 450s for inline. I wonder what we could be buying those for. Well, they're obviously not for my 426 Hemi. I wonder who else has a 426 Hemi in this family. Stay tuned for that one. But I got a 390 double pumper. Ask yourself, Jed, why would you buy a 390? Well, it's for a secret project sitting right over there that I haven't unveiled yet because we're still working on it. But I picked up a standard 650 double pumper for sale. I got a 742 case pinion yoke for my darts center trunk I'm building. Got that for my brother's truck because he was missing an adventurer badge. You're welcome, Michael. You probably won't pay me back for it, but that's okay. Got another carb spacer because, well, I ain't got enough carb spacers as it is, so we'll just add that to the pile. Perfect. We need some more. I should have bought more of those at the swap meet. And I bought some B7 seat belts, which is a shade darker than what Jezebel needs, but I'm pulling the black ones out to put these in. So got a complete set there for 40 bucks from a good friend of mine at the swap meet. Also picked up a whole bunch of paint guns because I let someone else work on my paint gun and use it, and he screwed it up, which sucks. So I mean, they're all cheap paint guns, but you know what? $5 for, like, I think, no, it was 15 bucks or something like that for the whole box of paint guns, so can't beat that. And I collect these old motor manuals, and this bridged a gap in the years I had, 53 to 61, so happy with that. And dude also threw in that because I gave him extra money for this because he only wanted 15 bucks for this motor manual. This one's really nice, so I was like, dude, it's worth more than 15 bucks. And this was kind of expensive, $100 for this giant box here. But all of these are Mopar points and condensers. If nothing else, the packaging was worth it. But seriously, look at that. I'll never need to buy points again. So that was super cool. So points and condensers. By the way, any of my Mopar fans out there need points and condensers? Let me know, seriously. Because I don't need that many. And I picked up another one of these Cal Customs Vindicator scoops. I think that's what they're called. I got one other one. Now I got 2 of them, and this one's like perfect. My other one's got a chunk missing out of it. So now I got 2 of those sons of guns. I actually had a Chevrolet fan had a Chevrolet fan there who gave me this brand new cam. It's a purple shaft 509 292 duration, and I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. So I think I got a buddy I'm going to give that to for a project. It's all about passing on, you know, the love. And that's what we're trying to do with this video. We want to pass on the love that you guys give me and I give back. At least I hope you think I give it back by replying to your comments and I post the videos. And all that stuff. Share the love. You know, do good, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. So I want to share the love. And by the way, speaking of love, that Edelbrock is actually in the garage. And if anybody ever watched my Holley rebuild video, these things aren't actually junk. I don't actually hate them. I just don't like them. They have a place, and it's fine right there. I'm not actually throwing it away or blowing it up, okay? So anybody who thought I was being serious, I'm sorry. And pardon me also, because I've had 2 days of swap meeting. In fact, that's where my hat was. If you couldn't tell by my hair, I'm ready to go outside and pass out. But I just wanted to film a little video. This might be longer than I want it to be. But seriously, go check out Marty at Useful Entertainment, Grant Tommy at Straight Six Van, Mark at Bigfoots N Mopars, and Chris at Testa Speed Shop. Check out one of them, all of them, 2 of them, 3 of them, doesn't matter. Just share the love, guys. And when I say go check them out, I mean don't just subscribe. Check out their videos. If you love them, subscribe to them. If they're not your style, then don't worry about it. Don't clutter up your subscription feed. But if you like what they do, hit that subscribe button on their channel, check out their stuff, and enjoy. And speaking of that, I know this isn't a fun, cool video, really, but hit that like button. And I hope to see you guys in the next one, because we got plenty of dart stuff. We have the secret project right there, which I hope you can't decipher what it is. We got a project coming up with a red charger here pretty soon. So take care, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.